In this video, we will be learning about stopping rules in Quran. So, when there is fatha at the end, how to stop? In this example, there is fatha at the end. So, what you have to do, the fatha will be converted to Sukūn. So, it will be الذي هم فيه مختلفون. The next one, if there is kasra at the end, so the kasra has the same case. In this verse, there is noon with kasra at the end, so the kasra will be converted to Sukūn. So it will be كلا بل تكذبون بالدين. What if there is Damma at the end? In this case, like there is an example for that case, and there is the same case. At this verse, the Ra with Damma, the Damma will be converted to Sukūn. So it will be إن شانئك هو الأبتر. Now what if there are two Dhamma at the end? So in this case, it also replaced with Sukūn. So Fatha, Kasra, Dhamma and two Dhamma, the four have the same case. So in this example, there is two Dhamma at Dal. So it will be قل هو الله أحد. قل هو الله أحد. Now what if there is ta at the end? This is different case. In this, the ta will be converted into Sukūn, and then this is not ta. This is converted to ha. So it will be تتبعها الرادفة. تتبعها الرادفة. So the ta will be converted. First, the fatha or dhamma or kasra will be converted to Sukūn, and then the ta in this shape will be converted to ha. What if there are two kasra at the end? If there is two kasra at the end, this is the same case like fatha or kasra. In two kasra, the last word, the last alphabet will be replaced with Sukūn. So it will be سيصلى نارا ذات لهب. Now if there are two fatha at the end, now in this case there is, you have to pay attention to that case. If like in this verse there is qaf with two fathas and alif, now in this case the two fatha, one will be cancelled and one will be read. So in this case, like this, the one is cancelled and one is remaining on qaf, so it will be, and alif will be read. So it will be فالسابقات سبقا. فالسابقات سبقا. Now what if two dhamma at the end? In this case, the two dhamma will be replaced with Sukūn. So it will be والله على كل شيء شهيد. شهيد. What if there are two dhamma with ta, like this one? So this will follow the same rule as for the single dhamma. So it will be, first the ta with two dhamma will be converted to Sukūn, and then it will be read as ha. So it will be فإنما هي زجرة واحدة. Now here are the more examples of ta. Like the first one, فَإِذَا هُمْ بِالسَّاهِرَةِ فِي جَنَّةٍ عَالِيَةٍ وُجُوهٌ يَوْمَئِذٍ مُسْفِرَةٌ كَلَّا إِنَّهَا تَذْكِرَةٌ. Now when there is no change, so in this case there will be no change. If the words end with last word is alif and before it there is fatha, then there will be no change. Like this one, وَالسَّمَاءِ وَمَا بَنَاهَا. The next example is قَدْ أَفْلَحَ مَنْ زَكَّاهَا. What if there is sukūn at the end? So in that case there will be again no change. وَإِذَا الْبِحَارُ فُجِّرَتْ. So if you want to learn more, you can subscribe to my channel, and if you want to send your voices, you can directly send on this email.